If your Firefox right-click is not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try to get the context menu working again. This is a common issue, and it can happen because of a bad setting, a corrupted cache, or even a browser configuration problem. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing advanced technical skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to check Firefox's troubleshooting options. Open Firefox, then click the menu in the top right corner. From there, select Help, and then choose More Troubleshooting Information. This page gives you a lot of useful repair tools and diagnostic options. On this screen, look for the button that says Clear Startup Cache. Click it, then restart Firefox when prompted. Clearing the startup cache can remove temporary data that may be causing your browser interface to behave incorrectly, including right-click problems. After Firefox restarts, the next step is to launch Troubleshoot mode. This mode temporarily disables extensions, themes, and some hardware acceleration features, so you can see whether one of those is interfering with your browser. If the right-click starts working in Troubleshoot mode, that usually means an add-on or customization is causing the issue. In that case, you can re-enable your extensions one by one later to find the culprit. Now let's check Firefox's hidden configuration settings. Click in the address bar and type about config, then press enter. Firefox may show a warning message here, so continue carefully. In the search box, type Dom.Event.Contextmenu.Enabled. This setting controls whether the context menu is allowed to appear normally. If it is set to false, that can prevent right-clicking from working. If you see that value set to false, click the toggle switch to change it to true. Once you do that, try right-clicking again and see if the menu appears. If the issue is still not fixed, the next best step is to refresh Firefox. To do that, go to About Support in the address bar. This opens Firefox's support and repair page. On that page, click Refresh Firefox. This will reset Firefox to its default settings while keeping important data like bookmarks, history, and passwords in most cases. It's one of the safest ways to fix strange browser behavior without starting completely from scratch. After the refresh finishes, open Firefox again and test the right-click function on a web page or inside the browser itself. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem immediately. If it was a settings issue, the about.config change may fix it. If it was caused by a temporary glitch, clearing the startup cache or using troubleshoot mode may do the trick. And if Firefox itself had become corrupted or misconfigured, refresh Firefox should restore normal behavior. So to recap, the main fixes are clear the startup cache, restart Firefox, launch troubleshoot mode, check the Dom.Event.Contextmenu.Enabled setting in about.config, and if needed, refresh Firefox from about support. These steps are simple, safe, and effective for most right-click issues in Firefox. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick browser fixes and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.